Hello, I'm Steve Copnell from Allett Mowers, and we're very excited to introduce you to the new product into our Evolution range. This is the new twin-bladed, wide area 34-inch rotary mower. This machine is ideal for collection debris after a game or for striping and cutting where presentation and finish is required. So this machine is powered by 4 lithium-ion 82-volt batteries. This machine will take 1, 2, 3 or 4 batteries at any one time, just depending on what size area you are looking to achieve. Obviously, you can use 1 battery in the machine and then you can have your other 3 batteries on charge and incorporate them depending on what sort of area you are looking at. You can also have 4 batteries in the machine and then swap them with another 4 batteries depending on what size area you are looking to cut. Charge time on this machine is 90 minutes per battery, and they are interchangeable battery chargers. Twin docking stations as well, so you can charge multiple batteries at any one time. And life on this machine with 4 batteries is approximately 1 hour 40, and depending on what you are cutting or how much you are collecting from the machine at any one time. These batteries are Kramer, so they can be used into the Kramer 82-volt handheld equipment as well, which is another benefit if you are looking to go completely battery throughout your organisation. One of the benefits of being battery powered is a low level noise. So in areas such as this, an enclosed stadium, noise is very important to obviously the people in the offices and also the surrounding environment as well. Also in school environments, colleges and universities where you've got students studying, obviously you can get a lot closer to the building throughout any time of the day without interrupting their course of study. These Kramer batteries can also visually show you the actual charge which is within the battery just by pressing the indicator on the unit. They are also Bluetooth compatible as well, so you can link that to your phone device where you can monitor and see the performance of each individual battery. Feedback from groundsmen has encouraged us to design wide handlebars with injection moulded comfort grips. These wide handles, although the machine is 190 kilos in weight, makes it nice and easy to balance the machine when tilting and manoeuvring the machine. The features and controls at the handlebars, so we've got key switch for start to start the machine. We've then got blade speed, so we've got a speed boost, which is basically for if you are collecting a lot of debris or if the ground is wet, then you have got a speed boost option which improves the speed and rotation of the blades. We've got a deadman button for operator presence, so we press and hold the green button, bring in the bail bar, this will engage the rotors. We've got the rear bail bar, which brings in your forward drive, and then we've got a slow speed reduction button, which is in the injection moulding of the handles. This will slow your forward speed down by 60%, so when you are at the end of your run, you can press the slow speed button in, that will slow your forward speed down. Once you've made your manoeuvre and you're back on your straight line, press the button again and it will pick up your previous speed settings. Along with that speed button, we have also got forward speed 1 to 6, which you can alter as you are going along or even when you are coming to make a turn as well. Being battery powered and having the injection moulded comfort grips greatly reduces the hand-arm vibration given off this machine. We also have options to adjust the handlebar height depending on the height of each individual groundsman. We can release the grips at the bottom here, and then we can adjust the height of the handlebar depending on the comfort required for each user. This also can be raised to the full height, which is ideal for storage, or for when cleaning the machine. With the handlebars at the full height position, we can also tilt the machine back to the full height, which allows you access then to underneath the deck for full cleaning. The Uplift 86E utilises 2 twin high lift 18-inch blades. These are incorporated into a polypropylene high impact resistance and chemical resistance deck. We've done a lot of design work with a local university on this just to design the best possible airflow achievable from this machine. Hence the reason for the large chute, the rear of the machine, that's to expel as much material and airflow as possible. The design of this deck has been based purely on collection, so with the smooth surfaces and nice rounded edges from the injection moulding, this machine really gives a high collection rate compared to other rotaries on the market. This deck has also been influenced by groundsmen on their requirements, and the feedback we've been getting is that groundsmen are getting about a third times more collection efficiency from the machine. The 86E comes as standard with 2 front wheels. We also have the optional front brush options, which comes in soft, medium or hard bristle. The soft being for removing dew before going over with the rotary, and the medium to hard bristles, generally that's for lifting any surface debris, depending on how aggressive you want that treatment to be. We also have the optional interchangeable front roller, which replaces the front wheels, and that also is compatible with the front brush option as well. The optional front brush can also be lifted in and out of work, or to be lowered into the ground to be more aggressive. We do that by releasing these over centre levers on each side. The front assembly is then free to lift out of work, and we can lock that into position, or we can raise and lower that depending on what height of grass we are cutting at. So the front section, which includes the wheel option, that can be interchanged quite easily with the front roller. So we do that by lifting the handlebars, lock them into position. We then lift the whole machine up vertically, and then on the machine there are 2 clips which we release. Then lift the front section away from the machine, and then we can interchange it easily with the front roller. The Uplift 86E has a height range between 20mm and 75mm. This gives a good broad range for groundsmen depending on what area or sector the machine is being used in. This is adjusted with a single point micro adjuster. As you can see, there's also a little indicator on there which is displayed in millimetres, and you can be 0.1 of a mil accurate on your height of cut. This machine uses a 34-inch full width rear roller. It's steel constructed with a rubberised coating. As you can see, it's in 3 sections, so you've got the full differential there. So with a 34-inch wide machine, it makes it very easy to manoeuvre without damaging the turf when turning. Also a full width scraper bar, and the rubberised coating also gives fantastic striping and presentation. The grass collection on the 86E is a 90 litre grass bag. As you can see, it's made of mesh construction. The idea of this is because of the high rate of airflow coming from the machine. That airflow needs to be expelled quickly to get the high collection rate. So it is important to keep this mesh clean before every use. So to fit the grass bag, we lift the rear chute, locate that onto the back of the machine just in the 2 slots there, and then lower the flap back on top. Another benefit of this machine is the reduction in maintenance and servicing costs, and also time as well. So with the rotary blades on this machine, they are powered directly by high efficient brushless motors, so there's no need for timing belts, bearings and pulleys, so it reduces the parts in those areas to maintain. With it being battery powered as well, obviously there's no engine, so you haven't got the oil and the fuel and the air filters as well to maintain throughout the year.